Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential update on how to manage camera permissions in Google Chrome on your PC. Whether you're using it for video calls, streaming, or online meetings, knowing how to control these settings can enhance your experience and privacy. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once it's up and running, navigate to the site you want to adjust permissions for. This could be a video conferencing platform, a social media site, or any other service that requires camera access. Next, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll see a small icon next to the web address. This is where you can manage site-specific settings. Click on this icon to view site information. A drop-down will appear, providing you with details about the site's connection and permissions. Now, it's time to open Site Settings. In the drop-down menu that appears after clicking the site information icon, you'll find an option labeled Site Settings. Click on it to access a new page dedicated to managing various permissions for this specific site. Once you're in the Site Settings menu, locate the section labeled Camera. Here, you'll see different options regarding camera access. To ensure that the site prompts you for permission each time it wants to use your camera, select Ask from the drop-down menu next to Camera. This setting allows you to maintain control over which sites can access your camera while still enabling functionality when you choose to allow it. And there you have it. By following these steps, opening Chrome, accessing site information, navigating to site settings, and adjusting camera permissions, you can easily manage how websites request access to your camera. Remember, keeping your privacy intact while enjoying the features of modern web applications is crucial. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and updates.